Yo, what's up? This instrument I built made me fall in love with synthesizers. But it's not analog, which means it's not even half as cool as it could be.
So I decided to binge a lot of YouTube videos, like every normal person would. And I quickly set 100 euros as budget to build my very own analog synthesizer. And I bought all the parts needed. And then I bought all the parts needed. And then I bought all the parts needed.
So since I'm a YouTuber now, I should probably tell you guys what this series is about. We're going to build a fully analog synthesizer from scratch. And in this video, we're going to build the power supply and the case. So here's the idea. This is my old broken amp that I already scrapped parts out of it. And I wanted to upcycle it because it has a very long history in my family and it really means a lot to me. And here I want the modular parts to be placed. In order to do that, we first need to clean this thing up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh yeah. For the power supply, I decided to build a 3-channel system with plus 12 volt, minus 12 volt and 5 volt. So every synthesizer part can be powered by that. The next step is to make it pluggable. So right now I'm trying to place a plug hole on his bag. In order to do that, I destroy a perfectly good table stand for a 2x2 cm piece of wood. And then I forget about it and start with the middle stangle. Now you may ask yourself, what is a middle stangle? This is the middle stangle. It's our middle mounting place for our modules. And since I really love designing this one, I decided to make another one. For more place inside our baby, I decided to rip out everything it doesn't need no more. Here you can see the highly complex and professional way of fixing things, called hiding your mistakes. After now having a way too large PCB power distributor, this is why I'm trying to make it smaller any way I can. And this isn't even a joke. I was for real trying this way. Furthermore, a word I learned in school to replace and, we won't be able to screw this down at the bottom of the case because the solders will be down here and this is why we need extensions. I call them screw extensions. They probably have a better name. Then it was actually time to build the power distribution system. Like, look at that. Looks great, doesn't it? Here we try to find out if it all fits and make super fun corrections in our first cable connector piece. Oh, and here's the first time we make a cable. It was so fun, I directly stopped. Lucky me that I forgot about our plug mount. And first, we remove the upper skin. Boom, 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 boom. And it's finished. I'm lost. I'm hopeless. Cables. How could I do cables? There's one guy that can help us now. Damn, he's cool. I wonder where he got that from. Since all the cables are done now, this is where we at right now. But for the detectives under you, there's still one thing missing. The top stangle. So I quickly measured and designed the top stangle. But what can I say? See for yourself. I kinda fucked it up with the nut. And since I already have a very high footprint, I first decided to keep the OG top stangle and thrust it open with a steamy hot metal like this Drawn Together reference. But it kept bugging me, so I decided to reprint it and screw the screws right into the filament this time. And now, to the most fearful act of it all.
How do you like the cut, Monsieur?
Oh, I love it. I'd said a little trim. Now let's try out if it really works. It turns on. Holy shit. Okay, now it's time to measure it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. After all, I'm really happy with how it turned out. It was really fun doing this. It was one of my favorite things I ever did. So, like this video and leave a comment with feedback and fun ideas for modules to build. Stay tuned for part 2 where we will build the VCO. See ya.
Der ist krass. Alter, der ist weg. Wo ist der? Der ist weg. Der ist Real Talk weg.